Instacart Replacements, Best Match versus Specific Items. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on your cart at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your cart at the top right corner of your screen, here, click on Choose Replacement. After you click on Choose Replacement, you'll find all the products available. Click on Replace with Specific Item. Then you pick the exact replacement product. After you go back to the exact replacement product, scroll down and click on Replace with Best Match. After you clicked on Replace with Best Match, press on Save. After you press on Save, Shopper will select the closest available match. After that, you can go to checkout and continue your order. And this is Instacart Replacement Best Match versus Specific Item. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.